Hello, Idaho. It is my privilege to share with you how for more than 10 years, Optum Idaho has spent countless volunteer hours and made targeted contributions to nonprofit organizations across the state, and how in 2023, we did it even better. In Lewiston, Optum helped support the Community Action Partnership with creating an educational podcast that teaches the organization's clients how they can work to bring some stability into their lives, and then how to move forward, including how to best manage and maintain finances.
If somebody comes in, again, is really looking at what they're asking and then hearing some of the things that they're maybe not saying, and then being able to identify those needs that are not being met and connecting the resources. So they may be coming in for a food box, but they weren't aware that energy assistance season started, or there's classes on budgeting, or how to build skills. And so providing that information can help bring them through the process, or the different address the different needs that they have with that we're able to serve them with.
Optum also worked with the Upriver Valley Youth Leadership Council in Kamiah to help them purchase an irrigation system for a youth-led community garden.
We use this to address some of the hunger issues. We live in a food desert here in Kamiah. We have one grocery store. We have a lot of people that can't afford to shop at the grocery store, so we try to supplement the fresh food that they could have. A lot of our teen center participants take it home to their families.
Obtaining post-secondary education, whether through certification, apprenticeship, or a degree, helps Idahoans achieve economic security through a pathway to stable employment. Optum worked with Breaking Chains Academy in Nampa, the Canyon County Juvenile Probation Program, and FASI out of Ammon to supply funding and materials for high school dropouts to study for and obtain their GED. And we remain committed in helping all Idahoans in their recovery journey. Optum annually prioritizes support for community recovery centers throughout the state. Peer Wellness in Boise, Kootenai Recovery in Coeur d'Alene, Gem County Recovery in Emmett, and the Center for Hope in Idaho Falls are several examples of recovery centers Optum worked with.
Got basically two shops under one roof. So it's going in. So, yeah.
It's a recovery community center. Really, one of our biggest things was to fight stigma. And we did that in several ways. Number one was we brought recovery out of church basements and put it right on Main Street very intentionally. And literally, in our case, on Main Street in a storefront. Mm-hmm. And the idea there was to fight stigma by normalizing recovery. These aren't people that need to hide. They have a disease. They have an illness. No more shame there than the broken bone that gets set down at the hospital 2 blocks away from us, in our opinion. So we wanted to bring that out.
Optum also purchased supplies for Day One kits that contain basic hygiene supplies and helped staff from the Ada County Sheriff's Office stuff backpacks to distribute to Idahoans exiting the correction system. Optum initiated a unique and innovative program in the Treasure Valley in 2023 by purchasing 2,000 all-day bus passes through Valley Regional Transit and distributing them to numerous partner organizations. Some of these organizations tracked how folks used bus passes, and they used them for medical and behavioral health appointments, to attend recovery meetings, and even job interviews. For the past several years, Optum's annual giving campaign focused on providing winter boots and socks to children in need across the state. This year, in alignment with our new approach addressing the social determinants of health, we decided to support Idaho students more holistically by working with D&B Supply partner organization to purchase basic necessities, including clothing, shoes, food, and hygiene products for 10 community schools across the state. We worked with each school to learn more about what they needed and tailored what we distributed to those schools. In closing, I want to say a special thank you to all of our Optum Idaho team members who work with members, providers, and community stakeholders across the state to make a difference in every community that we serve. For more information and for resources available, please visit Hello Idaho on the Optum Idaho website.